still using your mouse for everything, you are wasting hours every week. Let me show you the shortcuts pros to work faster and smarter. Welcome, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some of the most used keyboard shortcuts that will save you tons of time and make you a productive one. These shortcuts are super handy for everyday tasks. Okay, now let's get started. First, how to create folder. Okay, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Okay, folder is created. Okay, just delete this one. Just press D, delete here. Okay, how to recover deleted folder? Press Ctrl plus Z. Okay, now how to lock your computer? Windows button, Windows plus L. Yeah, this is what lock it. How to open security options? Press Ctrl plus I plus delete. Here, you can look, you can switch user, so sign out or change password, task manager. Just click here, you can change password by entering the old one. Or to access settings in a keyboard shortcut, just press Windows plus I. Here it is what settings. Okay. How to open File Explorer, Windows plus E. How to open Run dialog, Windows plus R. How to rename selected folder or file by a keyboard shortcut, just select this one, then press F2. You can rename it. How to shut down your PCs in a keyboard shortcut, just press Alt plus F4 here. Okay, this one you can select either of the switch user, sign out, select, shut down or restart. Okay, or in another way, how to close this one in a keyboard shortcut, just press Alt plus F4 again. Close it. How to take a screenshot in a keyboard shortcut, just press Windows plus print screen. Okay. How to delete files or folders permanently or bypass recycle bin. Just select the folder and press Shift plus delete. Okay, first select folder, then press Shift plus delete it. Then are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Yes, say yes here. How to take screenshots? Just press Win plus print screen. Okay, how to use the magnifier? Windows plus this one plus that. How to open task manager in keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Yeah. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. You can remove what you want in the task here. How to split screens into two parts. First, Excel, for example, here there is Excel and folder. Okay, there is in Microsoft Word and Excel. Yes, press Windows plus left arrow and open. Okay, Windows plus right arrow. Okay, now you can edit what you want from Excel and Word. Can copy file from this one to here. Okay. How to create virtual desktop? To create virtual desktop, just press Windows plus Control plus D. Control plus Windows plus D. Again, Control plus Windows plus D. How to switch between opened virtual desktops? Just press Control plus D plus this arrow here. Okay, AD1. My name is okay. From here, let's show you backspace and delete. To delete, take texts from left to right and right to left. To delete from right to left, just press backspace here. Yeah. To delete from this one to right side, just press delete here. Delete here. Backspace here. From left to right, just press delete here. Okay. Now let's show you how to select this one in a keyboard shortcut K. Just press here, press shift and right arrow here. Or just copy here, Control plus C, then enter Control plus V to copy and paste the value. Or let's select this one, shift plus down arrow here. Okay, to cut some words is select this one, then Control plus X, cut this one. Okay. Cut here, Control plus X, then paste from this one. Yeah. Okay. Back. Okay. Control plus C. Now paste here. Here's your everyone from here and this one. Okay. How to print this file? Just Control plus P. Yeah. Can print here. Okay. A short K or just press F12 here. Okay. How to open new? Control plus N. This one? No. Here. Okay, now let's show you browser keyboard shortcuts. First open Microsoft Edge, maximize here. Then how to open new tabs? Just press Ctrl plus T. Okay. Here how to download Windows 11. How to reopen closed tab? How to reopen closed tab? For example, just press close tab here. Yeah, it is what? Close. How to open the closed tab? Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Yeah. Let's add something. How to download. Okay, this how to activate Windows 10 here. Now close this one. Again close this one. Control plus Shift plus T. Again Control plus Shift plus T. Delete and open history from here. Press Control plus H. Yeah, this is what? History. Okay. To delete history, just press Control plus Shift plus delete. Control plus Shift plus delete. Delete browsing data. Clear here. Okay. To open incognito mode, press Control plus Shift plus N. Control plus Shift plus N. Yeah. Control plus Shift plus N. Okay. Now let's show you download menu. How to open download menu? Control plus J. Control plus J. Okay. Now let's show you to open or close apps directly. Okay, let's open here. Now just press Windows plus D. Windows plus D. Windows plus D again. Windows plus S to search. Windows plus A. Yeah, to search this one here. Okay, here to switch between tabs from here in a keyboard shortcut, just press Ctrl plus page up, page down. Ctrl plus page up here. Right.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. ICT question.